Lucy Verasamy, 42, logged on to Twitter earlier this week to issue a warning about wildlife ahead of Bonfire Night tonight. The ITV weather presenter shared 2 pictures of a hedgehog she had found in a green patch as she explained it was an important time of year for the animal. One of the images featured a hedgehog that had accidentally camouflaged among the fallen leaves. The other snap showed the TV star crouching down to inspect the wild animal up close. Lucy penned, "Spot the hedgehog. It's an important time of year for these creatures. Please check your bonfires before lighting this firework night at Hornbeamwood." #HedgehogAtiveNews fans of the broadcaster soon replied to her tweet acknowledging her message as they highlighted the dangers of Bonfire Night. Christo13941047 tweeted, "Good to see this about checking for hedgehogs. I have been posting on Facebook for people to check their bonfires and tweets to local TV news programs. Hope you have a great weekend." Sunifer added, "I hate November. My sister's little dog goes through incredible distress with these fireworks. Fireworks should be restricted to public parks or events and not for households. What some dogs go through is terrible." Sick, Roland 2601928 said, "This reminds me when I was staying in the UK. I caught a hedgehog in my yard. I guess it liked the apples from my tree. I let it go." Sick, Yone 971981992 stated, "I love hedgehogs, always feel sorry for them. Good advice." Lucy often uses her social media platform to offer advice on the weather and the impact of climate change. Earlier this year, Lucy revealed she was attending a course on climate change in a post shared on Instagram. She first uploaded a picture of rain pattering down on a window, and wrote, "It doesn't rain, it pours. Warmer climate equals wetter." The ITV favorite then posted a photo from a course which showed how much the planet has warmed up over the years. The first picture, titled Summer 1976, showed just a few patches of scorching red, meaning hot weather, with the color blue covering the planet. But on the next one, from summer of 2016, there were barely any blue spots, with red hugely dominating. Lucy tagged the location as ITV News and said, "Our climate change course at weather via Royal Meteorological Society at Remaze_." She then posted a picture on Twitter of 2 signs stuck on a newsagent's window which detailed how people could help slow down global warming. One of the posters reads "Save the Earth," and said people should stop littering, use metal straws and recycle more. While the other stated, "Let's change this now," and went on to say, "Listen up people. Animals, humans and more are going to die if we don't do anything about this."